Hi, my name's Cameron Aitkenhead and I'm the illustrator from the adventures of the Belmonsters. Welcome to my studio. This is the place where I had fun drawing all of the Belmonsters that you'll find in the story. Today I'm going to show you how I drew Timido. And after that, I'm going to show you how you can make your very own Belmonster. Did you know that each one of these characters was created by somebody who lives in the city of Belmont? Timido was made up by Dorothy Rodriguez. Okay, let's learn how to draw Timido. Get your pens and pencils ready and follow along with me. Now to start drawing Timido, we're going to start with a great big circle, but we're not going to join it at the top. Then we need to add in his little crest on top of his head. Now his crest looks a little bit like something on top of a chook or maybe a rubber glove. I'll show you what I mean. And it's just three little U shapes like that. Now we need to draw his eye. Now his eye is another big circle. Like that. And then inside that circle is his pupil, which is another circle. Next thing would be to draw his mouth. Now his mouth is kind of like a simple C shape, but back to front. Now we're going to do his teeth, which are like little tiny U shapes. And also he's got an eyebrow, like that. Now it's time for Timido's legs. Now Timido doesn't have two legs like you and I. Timido's got three legs. And his three legs are just kind of like sticks with ovals on the end of them. Watch this. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. And at the bottom, we've got simple Belmonster feet. Now Belmonster feet look a bit like that. So you can see that we've got some similar shapes here in our Belmonster. Now we're going to do Timido's arms. We'll start with a bit of a C shape again. And think of a 4-leaf clover for his hands. Do his other arm. Another 4-leaf clover. And there you have it. Timido, done. Now we've learned how to draw Timido, let's try some colours. But first, I'll quickly draw him again, because practice makes perfect. And this time, I've decided to make him run. Great. Now, I've got 3 coloured markers here, 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 purple. And we'll start off with the yellow for his eyeball. After that, we're going to move on to red for his pupil. Now pretty much the rest of Timido is just purple, so you can go ahead and fill him in. Now if you don't have any markers, that's okay. You could use pencils, paints, or crayons. And remember, if you go outside the lines, that doesn't matter, just keep practicing. So there we go, a nice purple Timido. Now if you could make your very own Belmonster, what would it look like? Would it have a big long nose? Or big furry paws? Or perhaps a really long spiky tail? What would make your Belmonster different and special from all the others? Will it have a special name? And where will your Belmonster live in the city of Belmont? Will it live in a park? Or somewhere like the new Belmont Hub, where the library will be? We would love to see what your Belmonster looks like. Ask Mum and Dad to go to the city's Belmont Connect platform, connect.belmont.wa.gov.au/Belmonsters, and find out about the Draw a Belmonster competition. It's easy to enter and you could win the chance to have your Belmonster drawn by me sometime in the future. You might even win the chance to have your Belmonster appear in a brand new story about the adventures of the Belmonsters. Well, it's time for me to say goodbye and for you to start drawing. I'll see you again soon when I return to show you how to draw another one of those cheeky Belmonsters. Bye for now.